Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the haul.com app review to see if it worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The haul.com app, also known as Hardcore Live Limitless, makes it simple to book and manage stays across 5,000 hotels worldwide. It integrates seamlessly with the Haul loyalty program, letting you access exclusive member rate, track point, and even redeem rewards directly through the app. Features like mobile check-in, digital booking management, and personalized offers make it a convenient tool for frequent travelers in the Hardcore network. However, the app isn't perfect. Users often report glitches, login problems, and occasional issues with reservation not synchronizing correctly. The price discrepancies and slow customer support can also frustrate some travelers. So in conclusion, the app is worth using if you are a regular Anchor guest who want a maximized loyalty perk, but casual user may find it less polished compared to other hotel apps. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.